Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make one of my favorite childhood desserts, chocolate biscuit cake. It's so easy to make and so delicious, so let's get started. You're going to place a medium-sized pot over heat and you're going to add in your butter and hot water. And you are going to stir this until completely melted. Now that our butter is fully melted, you are going to add in your icing sugar and mix this in. Add in also your chocolate drinking powder and mix until fully combined. Add your egg into the mixture and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes on medium to high heat. Then remove the pot from the heat and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, in a big bowl, I'm going to break my cookies into small pieces. I will set the cookies to the side and I'm going to add in my chocolate mixture, my Nutella. Mix this using a spatula or a whisk until your Nutella is fully combined. Take your chocolate mixture and pour it over your biscuits. And then fold the chocolate mixture into the cookies and mix until completely combined. Now leave the mixture to the side and let's prepare our tin. Here I have non-stick cooking spray and I'm going to grease my tin. I will add in now a piece of parchment paper on the bottom to prevent it from sticking. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into my tin and smooth it out on top. You are going to chill your chocolate biscuit cake for about 3 to 4 hours until firm. Our chocolate biscuit cake have cooled completely and I've placed it on a serving plate. So now I'm going to prepare a ganache to pour over. Here I have my chocolate, I'm going to pour on top my heavy cream. And I'm going to microwave this until completely melted. My ganache is fully melted and I'm going to add in my Nutella. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Using your spoon, cover all the sides. I have decorated my cake using some chopped walnuts, and now it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.